Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the Knorr Spinach Artichoke dip. This is an easy recipe. It's great for parties and get-togethers, but it's also good just to make on a Sunday to munch on. So stick around and I will show you how I did it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to show you this Knorr packet. Everything on the back is the ingredients that you will need. So if you grab this, they have it at Walmart. You can grab all the ingredients at the same time. But you're going to need some spinach. You can use the frozen kind like I have, or you can use fresh. That's up to you. Make it your own. Also some mayonnaise, but here I'm using Miracle Whip. Again, make it your own. Some garlic, some mozzarella. You can definitely use fresh mozzarella or the shredded kind. It doesn't matter. A block of cream cheese and a can of artichokes. Alrighty, so for today's dish, we're using an 8x11. You'll also need to get out a large bowl to mix all your ingredients in. And then while we're at it, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. So these are quartered artichoke hearts. You're going to go ahead and drain all the juice out of the can, and we're just going to plop it onto the cutting board. I like to get mine a little bit chunkier, so I'm not going to chop them up as finely. You can do it however you'd like, but this is the way that I'm doing it today. And then you're just going to do the entire can at this point and put it into a large bowl. So with the garlic, I'm using the minced garlic. I'm putting 3 tablespoons because we like it extra garlicky, but the recipe actually calls for 2 cloves. Again, I'm going to be putting all the measurements for the ingredients in the description, so don't worry about that. I got you. But with the cream cheese, make sure that it's softened, and then you're going to put the pack of seasoning in and just mix it till the sun don't shine. I'm going to be honest, this was the first time that I ever used fresh mozzarella, but I will say I highly recommend this. It definitely made this recipe ooey gooey delicious. Oh my goodness, it was so good. But you can use the shredded kind. I've actually used cheddar cheese before because I didn't have mozzarella. I believe on the back of the pack, it recommends some types of cheeses, but we don't really care for those, so that's why I either go for the mozzarella or the cheddar. But again, you make this recipe how your family likes it, and I'm sure it's going to turn out great. And into the bowl with that mozzarella, I only used about half of that container. This is what the frozen spinach looks like. You're going to want to squeeze and drain all that excess liquid out. Trust me, I've made the mistake for you. You do not want any of the excess liquid a part of this or in your bowl. It's not going to turn out good. Just trust me. But you're going to put all that in there. I kind of shred it up with my fingers, and then you're just going to mix, mix, mix. As always, I am spraying my dish. Today I'm using olive oil, and again, this is an 8x11 dish. We're just going to plop those ingredients from your bowl in that dish and spread it out evenly. If I could give you any sort of tip, I probably would put cheese on the top. That mozzarella would have been really delicious, ooey gooey on the top layer, but you make it how you'd like. It's definitely going to turn out great. After 25 minutes in the oven, this is what you're going to get. You just want to make sure it's slightly brown, golden on the top, and that the edges are bubbly. That means the cheese has melted to perfection. And today we are using the tortilla bowl scoopers from Walmart. They are 98 cents. Definitely recommend those. I have seen others use pita chips or crackers. You can use either of them. You can't go wrong. If anybody is going to use this in the crock pot, let me know how that goes because I've been thinking about doing it that way. I do appreciate all you guys for watching this. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, and thank you to all my subscribers. I will see you guys in my next video.